Leaders, are you burnt out? Today's tip might just save your life. Jen, I've been working 6 to 7 days a week for the past 2 years. I honestly don't remember the last time I had a full weekend off. I am exhausted, but I don't want to be seen as lazy or not a team player. How do I get my calendar under control? Oh, dear leader, I am so sorry you're going through this. That is so much pressure. Of course you're exhausted. The good news is you are not alone. I have been in your exact situation, and so have many of my clients. There are things you can do. The bad news? It might take a while to pay off, but bear with me. You can make your calendar match your priorities. We're going to start with a long-term play that has a short-term option. First, look at your calendar 3 to 6 months from now. Odds are you have some free time at that point. We are going to start by adding time blocks, one at a time, starting with your ideal situation or your most important outcomes or commitments. I highly recommend starting with your personal or outside of work commitments, like hitting the gym before work, or being home in time to prep dinner for your family, or coach Little League, or that monthly happy hour with friends. Build it all into your calendar first, with travel or planning time. Next, after your personal commitments are built in, we are going to time block in placeholders for your ideal work schedule. That calendar that sets you up to be your best self and do your best work. Could you use more 90-minute blocks of think time? Do it. Finally, add in time for your critical work requirements, including time for planning and follow-up. In this case, we're talking about things like ensuring time cards get done, performance eval season, critical recurring meetings, responding to urgent requests from your CEO. Now, I can hear you ask, but Jen, I cannot predict when my CEO will send an urgent request, or I can't anticipate what fires might come in over the weekend. True, you cannot predict with 100% certainty, but I bet you can make an educated guess. Build time into your calendar for when things are likely to occur. And if they don't happen, you have built-in time to catch up on other stuff. Now, I bet your new calendar is already looking pretty full. Great! Your priorities have been set, and any new requests must be evaluated against your new prioritized baseline. Will urgent issues still rear their ugly head? Yes. Will you sometimes have to move or cancel your ideal time blocks? Yes, absolutely. The reality is, it is never going to be perfect, but it can be better than it is right now. By having your priorities built into your calendar first, it will make saying no or not now much easier going forward. And what about right now? What is the short-term version of this approach? Well, pretend you've had a life-shattering emergency and now only have 5 to 10 hours that you can devote to work each week. What would you tackle? What would your calendar look like then? Start there. Clear out any non-urgent requests. And you may want to get your boss's approval first. Regardless, give yourself grace. This problem has been building up for years. It's not going to fix itself overnight, but you can chip away at it. And I have created a worksheet to help guide you through it. I'll put it in the comments below. So try that and let us know how it goes and what you learn. So that's my take. What do you think? What advice would you give someone facing a similar situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's learn from each other. Do you have a sticky workplace situation causing you grief? Send it my way and we'll get it sorted. Thank you for watching and happy improving.